Hi, Sam.
Hi, Mia. How are you today?
I'm good, thanks. How about you?
I'm fine too. What are you doing today?
Not much. I'm just relaxing at home.
That's nice. Do you have work today?
No, it's my day off. I'm free today.
Oh, lucky you. I have to work later.
Really? What time do you start work?
At 2 p.m. I work at a small cafe.
Oh, that sounds fun. Do you like your job?
Yes, I like it. I make coffee and talk with customers.
That's great. I love coffee too. What kind of coffee do you like?
I like latte. It's soft and creamy.
I like cappuccino. It has foam on top.
Yum. I want coffee now.
Do you want to go to my cafe later?
Sure, that sounds good.
Great. What time do you want to come?
Maybe around 4 p.m.?
Perfect. I'll be there.
So, what do you usually do in the morning?
I wake up around 7 a.m. I brush my teeth, take a shower, and eat breakfast.
Nice. What do you eat for breakfast?
Usually bread and eggs. Sometimes I drink orange juice too.
That's healthy. I like rice and vegetables for breakfast.
Oh, really? That's different but nice.
Yeah, I love warm food in the morning.
Do you eat breakfast every day?
Yes, always. It gives me energy.
I agree. Breakfast is important. What do you do after breakfast?
I go for a short walk. It helps me feel fresh.
That's a good habit. I should try that too.
You should. Fresh air in the morning feels great.
True. Then I usually check my phone.
Oh, yes, I do that too. I check messages and news.
Everyone does that now.
Yes, technology is everywhere.
Do you like listening to music?
Yes, I love music. I listen every day.
What kind of music do you like?
I like pop music. It makes me happy.
Me too. Who is your favorite singer?
I like Ed Sheeran. His songs are so nice.
Oh, I love his voice. My favorite song is Perfect.
That's a beautiful song. I like Shape of You.
Cool. We have the same taste.
Yes, maybe we can sing together one day.
That would be fun.
Do you listen to English songs to learn English?
Yes, it helps me learn new words and pronunciation.
That's smart. I think songs are a great way to practice.
Exactly. I repeat the lyrics many times.
Me too. Sometimes I use English podcasts.
Oh, I love listening to English podcasts.
Do you listen every day?
Not every day, but often. When I walk or clean my room.
That's a good habit. You learn while doing other things.
Yes, it's fun and useful.
What other ways do you practice English?
I speak with friends. We practice simple sentences.
That's great. Speaking is important.
Yes, sometimes we record our voices too.
Oh, that's interesting. Then you can hear your mistakes.
Yes, exactly. And we try to improve.
You're very serious about learning.
I try my best.
What's the hardest part for you in English?
Maybe listening. Sometimes people speak too fast.
I know that feeling. It's hard to catch every word.
Yes, but practice helps.
Definitely. I listen to slow English podcasts to improve.
Good idea. I do that too. So, Sam, what do you like to do in your free time?
I like reading books, watching movies, and playing guitar.
Oh, wow. You play guitar? That's cool.
Yes, a little. I'm not very good yet.
That's okay. Practice makes perfect.
Thanks. What about you, Mia?
I like drawing and listening to music.
Oh, that's nice. Do you draw every day?
Not every day, but often. It makes me calm.
I like that. Art is a good way to relax.
Yes, and I sometimes draw while listening to music.
That's a perfect combination.
What kind of movies do you like?
I like comedy and action movies.
Me too. I love funny movies.
They make me laugh after a long day.
Yes, laughter is the best medicine.
True. Do you watch movies in English?
Yes, with subtitles. It helps me learn new words.
That's a smart way to study.
Thanks. Sometimes I watch the same movie twice.
Why twice?
First time with subtitles, second time without.
Oh, that's clever. I should try that.
You should. It really helps listening skills.
Do you like traveling, Mia?
Yes, I love traveling. I want to visit many countries.
Me too. Where do you want to go first?
Maybe Japan. I love Japanese food and culture.
Oh, I want to go there too. The people are polite and kind.
Yes, and the cherry blossoms are beautiful.
Absolutely. I want to see Mount Fuji.
That's on my list too.
What other countries do you want to visit?
Maybe the US and France.
Ooh, big dream.
Haha, yes. I love learning about new places.
That's great. Travel helps you understand people.
Yes, and it helps practice English too.
True. English is useful everywhere.
Do you have any weekend plans?
Maybe I'll go hiking with friends
Nice. Where will you go?
to a small mountain near my town.
That sounds relaxing. I like nature.
Me too. It's good to get fresh air.
I think I'll stay home and read.
That's nice too. Reading helps your mind relax.
Exactly.
Mia, do you listen to English every day?
I try to. Even 10 minutes helps.
Yes. Listening a little every day is powerful.
I agree. It's better than one long study day.
Right. Small steps every day.
That's my rule.
Do you speak English with anyone else?
Sometimes online, I join a small English group.
Oh, that's great. What do you do there?
We talk about daily life, like food, travel, work.
That's the best kind of practice. Real topics.
Yes, simple and fun.
You're doing great, Mia.
Thank you, Sam. You're helping me too.
Do you think learning English is hard?
Sometimes, but I enjoy it.
That's the spirit. Enjoy the process.
Yes, I learn something new every day.
Me too. Let's keep learning together.
Deal. Let's make English fun.
Always.
Okay, Sam. I think it's time for your work now.
Oh, yes. It's almost 2 p.m.
Have a good day at the cafe.
Thanks, Mia. Don't forget to visit at 4 p.m.
I won't. I'll see you there. Hey, Sam. How was your work at the cafe yesterday?
Hi, Mia. It was good. Many customers came in the afternoon.
That's nice. Did you make many cups of coffee?
Yes, maybe 50 cups. I was so busy.
Wow, that's a lot. You must be tired.
A little, but I like my job. Talking to customers helps me practice English, too.
Oh, that's true. Real conversations are the best practice.
Yes, some tourists come to my cafe, so I can listen and speak in English.
That's perfect. You learn and work at the same time.
Exactly. What did you do yesterday after we talked?
I watched a short English video on YouTube.
Oh, really? What was it about?
It was about daily routines. Simple English, easy to understand.
That's good. I watch those too. They help a lot.
Yes, and I repeat after the speaker to practice pronunciation.
That's a great method. Repeating helps memory.
Do you study English every day, Sam?
I try to. I listen to English for 20 minutes before bed.
Oh, that's a nice habit. I usually study in the morning.
Morning is good too. The mind is fresh.
Yes, I read a short English story every morning.
Wow, that's smart. Reading helps you think in English.
I hope so. I want to speak more naturally.
You're doing great, Mia. Step by step, you'll be fluent.
Thank you, Sam. Let's keep practicing together.
Always. Let's listen, speak, and enjoy English every day.